Hi everybody, I'm doing this short video on types of rhyme schemes. This video refers only to end rhyme schemes, meaning words rhyming at the end of a verse, at the end of a line. So how do you understand, or how can you find out what is the rhyme scheme for a poem? You have to read the poem out loud and see which words sound the same at the end of the lines. So for example, for I wandered lonely as a cloud. I wandered lonely as a cloud. Let's say cloud has a certain type of sounds out in the end. So I'm gonna mark this as A because this is the first time that I encounter this. That floats on high over vales and hills. Hills does not sound the same as cloud, so I will mark it as a B rhyme because it's a new sound that I have not encountered yet. When all at once I saw a crowd. Crowd sounds similarly to cloud, so therefore it's the same sound, out, at the end of the line. So I will mark it with A again. A host of golden daffodils. Daffodils, deals, sounds the same or similar to hills. So therefore I mark it as B. Beside the lake, beneath the trees, trees does not sound like cloud, crowd, or hills, daffodils. It's a new sound, so I mark it as C. Fluttering and dancing in the breeze. Breeze is the same sound as trees, so therefore I mark it as C. So if you look at the rhyme scheme for this particular poem is A, B, A, B, which is alternate rhyming, and then C, C, which is couplet. There are two verses, they rhyme with each other. Whenever you have a two-verse combination, that's called a couplet. Let's look at another poem, Matthew Arnold's Shakespeare. Others abide our question. Thou art free. Free is the first sound, A. We ask and ask, thou smilest and art still. Still is different from free, sounds differently, so I mark it as B. Outtopping knowledge. For the loftiest hill, hill sounds like still, so it's the B rhyme, type of rhyme. Who to the stars uncrowns his majesty. Majesty sounds like free, so it's A. So I have my rhyme scheme here is A, B, B, A, which is enclosed rhyme. Let's look at the tiger. Tiger, tiger, burning bright. A. In the forest of the night. Night sounds like bright, so it's A again. What immortal hand or eye is different from night or bright, so it is B. Could frame thy fearful symmetry. Symmetry here should rhyme with eyes. You should pronounce it symmetry. It's a queer, old, strange rhyme. So we put a B here, A, B, A, B. We see it better in the next line, in the next stanza. In what distant deeps or skies, let's put C, because skies is different from eye or bright. Burn the fire of thine eyes, C. Eyes and skies are the same. On what wings there he aspire, aspire is different. What the hand there sees the fire, D. So my rhyme is A, A, B, B, C, C, D, D, which is couplet rhyme because there are two lines that rhyme with each other. And finally, for the monorhyme, you have the whole poem written in the same, with the same kind of sound at the end. I realized it was 4:30 A. When I quite late ran out the door. 4 and door sound the same, A. my history class, I saw abhor, four-door, abhor, A, but I missed 2 sessions the week before, again A. If you read the entire poem, the same sound is repeated throughout. So this is monorhyme. So again, A, B, alternate rhyme. C, couplet. A, B, A, enclosed rhyme, because the 2 B's are enclosed within, let's say, the bigger A. A, B, C, D, couplet rhyme, and A, you know, the same sound at the end, is monorhyme. I hope this is helpful.